What's up out there, everybody? Have you ever had a problem with your Windows computer and you're stuck with a process or a service that won't stop and it's just stuck and stopping? We all know the problems with this, and you just want to be able to have your service start again. Look no further. We've come to you with the tips for Windows 10 computers. And if you are a fan of these type of videos and you are enjoying these tips and we're solving your problems, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that like, leave a comment, let us know that you're digging us. Let's get started. iDerek4Real. And what's up out there, guys? It's your boy iDerek4Real Plays, and today we're going to be coming at you with an exclusive tip. So today you can't see my image here in the bottom lower corner here because we have an application or service in the system which is stopping here. As you can see, this service for my camera is stuck and stopping. So we want to make this actually stop so we can reuse this and be able to, just use the services. As we can see here, we will simply come here. We also need a command prompt, right? So we're gonna run that elevated, right? So now what we would like to do is pull up this service. So okay, if I am correct, right, that is the name of this service, right? Yes. No. Okay, so okay. I'm a little bit off something. Let's see where we off. Okay. Let's make sure we got that right just there. Oh, okay. I see where we are. Sorry about that. Okay. Now that we have this process available, we need to take this PID, right? And we need to be able to close this. So now what we're going to do is type something just like this, because we want to kill the task, right? Okay, so our PID for this would be 4872, right? Okay. All right, and if I'm correct, we should have that stopped. Now that it's not stuck and stopping, we should be able to simply start that back up. And let's wait for it and see if we have incoming. And there we are. There you have it, folks. Another one by iDerek4Real. Let's get it. If you need tips, I got you covered. We're gonna make it for our fams. Let's get it. This is a video how to stop services that are stuck in stopping. And if you wanna learn more and get more tips, hit that subscribe button, smash that like, get that bell. You never know when we're gonna come through. Peace.